There is always a force in the growing. There is always a height to let the world look up. There is always a voice to let passion bloom. Over the years, we uphold the innate innovation gene, gather multiple forces, finally find out our own coordinate in the map of domestic packaging industry, and salute the city in the name of environmental protection. Beiying Company is located in the beautiful Kazuo County, Lizhou Industrial Zone, surrounded by mountains with beautiful scenery. The company, covering an area of 36,000 square meters, is quite a large enterprise which integrates designing, manufacturing, printing, and follow-up producing. The company has a modern office environment, advanced production equipment, and a number of high-quality scientific personnel. Senior management personnel. After many years of unremitting efforts of all staff, the company has now established the leading position in the domestic printing industry. Jiren Company was founded in 1998 with the rapid development of the national economy, experienced the upgrading process from the low end to the high end in packaging field. 2017 in Kazuo, we built a new company named Kazuo Beiying Paper and Plastic Packing Company Limited, introduced intelligent and efficient automated assembly line, laid foundation for high quality and efficiency. Now Beiying Company has been the member unit of China Packaging Technology Center, the national fixed-point printing of trademark units. Today, the company won the China Industry Quality Credit AAA Class Enterprise Certificate in FDA, SGS, EU, and biodegradable certificates. Beiying Company has successfully completed the packing design and production for Beijing Olympic Games, Meituan Takeaway, Qingfeng Baozi Shop, Sanyuan Dairy, Capital Airlines, Beijing Airlines, Fujiya, etc., hundreds of well-known enterprises. With high-quality service and quality, we access the unanimous recognition and trust of our worldwide customers. At present, our products have craft paper bags, plastic bags, gift box packaging, plastic clip chain, paper cups lunch boxes, biodegradable bags. Each product can be customized according to customer demand. Beiying Company has domestic first-class design and development team, production team, quality inspection team, sales network around the world, covering Asia, America, Europe, and Oceania. Since the founding of the Beiying Company, we adhere to the corporate philosophy of science promotes new products, services win the future, integrity makes brand, create a team of employees with a high degree of cohesion and loyalty. Jiren Company since 2013 started the research of the practicability of degradation materials in making laminated packaging bags. After several years of trial and error, we successfully developed the usage of a zipper, BOPP film, exhaust valve, nozzle, and raw and auxiliary materials, achieved more than 95% of oxidative biodegradation of craft paper bags. Talent is our largest asset and core competitiveness to attract customers. We are always ready to provide quality service to our customers with the most professional personnel and the richest experience with efficient expertise for enterprises to ascend the international competitive stage to lay a solid foundation. All staff at Jiren Company keeps working hard for environment-friendly packing. After obtaining the success of producing biodegradable bags, we felt happy and proud that we can take our products to take from nature and return back to nature. Make a merger force for a beautiful home. Environmental protection starts from me. Making products with high quality. Set a brand for 100 years. Beiying Company adheres to market and consumer orientation, is guided by the latest technology in the world, and never stop innovations, keeps research new packing to reduce environmental pollution, to contribute to the environment, to build our harmonious home together. Beiying Company.